Hi, I'm Niall from Gulfstream Boat Sales. Today we are taking a look around this 2005 Chaparral 270. It's fitted with a pair of MerCruiser 1.7 litre, 120 horsepower turbo diesel stern drives, and it has around about 380 hours in the clock. Beautiful shape of boat, really nice stylish lines, looks very fresh and modern. It's 29 foot long and has a beam of 9 foot 6 inches, so nice wide beam boat. And it is finished with black boot stripe or hull graphic there, black anti-fouling and black camper covers. Gel coat looks great above and below the rub rail. It is fitted with a bow thruster, which is great. Coming all the way back to the stern corner on the port side, condition is good. There's flexi-teak throughout this boat. The starboard side of the boat is also in nice condition. Again, I can't see any marks on the hull. Well, this boat has self-bailing decks and it is a category B rated boat, so offshore rated, although recently this boat has been used exclusively in freshwater on the Shannon here in Ireland. Taking a look below the waterline, this boat is fitted, as I said, with a pair of MerCruiser 1.7 litre diesels. They're 120 horsepower each and they're matched up to these Alpha 1 stern drive legs. Fitted with a 19 pitch propeller. This one's counter rotating, left hand rotation, and this one here standard right hand rotation, 19 pitch as well, 3-blade aluminium. Props are in good shape and you've got trim tabs, Lenco trim tabs as well, fitted to the boat. So all in good condition there onto the water. Then we have this huge swim platform, full width of the boat. Nice integrated 3-step stainless steel boarding ladder. So a huge big cockpit, again, really makes use of that full 9 foot 6 inches beam. And you've got a lovely seating area here. Twin wide helm seat in front of that. Cockpit wet bar on the port side. And then a nice little twin wide lounger seat there, tucked in behind the windscreen over on the port side as well. The camper covers in this boat are worth a mention because they are in like brand new condition. It has this nice sweeping rear extension, so you get full sitting headroom back there. You'll also notice that this entire boat is laid in flexi-teak decking, complemented by this real teak table as well, which is not the standard table, so a nice teak table. We've got diesel heating on this boat, Eberspasher heating. The upholstery on this boat is all original and in absolutely immaculate condition. So the twin wide helm seat is easily big enough to accommodate 2 adults. You've got flip up bolsters on both sides, so you can sit on top of the bolsters, makes it really easy to get in and out of here. And then we have tilt adjust steering wheel, full suite of marine Chaparral engine instruments. So nice comfortable steering position. The boat's fitted with those MerCruiser 1.7s, so 120 horsepower a piece with 19 pitch props. It does get up on plane quickly. You're only going to comfortably cruise at about 18 to 20 miles an hour. Lovely dash, all in very nice condition, and yeah, well appointed with the bow thruster, twin engines and all that sort of stuff. To get access out onto the foredeck of this boat, you have these molded in steps here, center opening windscreen, so you can fold that windscreen open, you can roll up the center section of the covers and hop up through the screen to get out onto the foredeck. And then the cabin is accessed via this sliding door. Beautiful stainless steel handrail. So you got a dinette arrangement here on the port side. That converts into a double bed. You've got a fixed permanent double berth up forward. You've got your galley over here on the starboard side and heads compartment behind it. And then you also have a aft cabin with another double berth. So you can actually sleep 6 people downstairs on this boat, which is fantastic. Another thing to point out here is that there's absolutely stacks of headroom. I'm 5'10", got at least another 2 or 3 inches above my head. For a 2005 boat, really is in remarkably good order. We've got 240 volt shore power in this boat, so this is an electric hob. We've also got electric microwave oven, so this really smart looking isotherm fridge there. You've got the fixed double berth up forward that you can screen off with these curtains. Over on the port side then, we have our dinette arrangement. So nice big table. It'll accommodate 4 people around the table. Again, you have a curtain to screen off the aft cabin area. And you come in through this entryway. Decent bit of headroom here at the head of the bed. And then a nice wide double berth. And then the heads compartment is at the aft end on the starboard side. And we have a pump out, Jabsco toilet, sink with hot and cold running water, lift out the tap, put it up there, and you can shower in here as well. So a nice spacious heads compartment. Got a huge big wide entry into the engine bay. One step down, you get this little step here at the front of the engine bay. So fitted with a pair of MerCruiser 1.7 litre, 120 horsepower stern drives, and yeah, as we said, about 370 hours on them. If you're interested in this 2005 Chaparral 270 and you want to find out more about it, then please sign up for VIP access on our website at gulfstreamboatsales.com. All you have to do is pop your name and email address into the box below this video on our site at gulfstreamboatsales.com, and you can get VIP access, which is completely free. Once you've signed in, then navigate back to the Chaparral 270 page and you can watch our full-length video tour. It's probably going to be around about 20 or 30 minutes long. We'll go through the boat in lots of detail, show you in all the storage compartments that we can, give you a good look around the engine bay, give you a good look around the hull, and hopefully just give you a better idea of the condition that this boat's in, the features that it has on board, and help you to figure out whether it might be the right boat for you. So that's sign up for VIP access at gulfstreamboatsales.com. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video.